welcome back to Jack of All Trades, and today is an update for the C10 project that we have going on. And whoa, what is that? What? Does Lone Star Customs finally have some merch? What? Check that out, guys. Check that out. My logo on a t-shirt. What? Okay, so I've been putting in my links, or the link to my Teespring store down below in the links. So hey, show me some love, buy some merch, man. It's not super expensive. I believe the promo code is up, but I'll try and put another one out if I get enough people that want to buy some shit. Hit me in the comments below, say yo, throw me up a promo code. I'll put you one, but you got to say something in the comments. Now this shirt is a little different than what you're gonna get. This one I ordered when I first did it, and on this shirt here you're gonna see the white border. That's no longer gonna be there, so you will just get just this cutout. And then the back, if you can read it, says the man, the myth, the legend. But that is gonna be a little different. If you go on the Teespring store, you will see all kinds of different shirts. Don't be alarmed if the first thing you see is a bunch of leggings for females. For some reason, that's just the way it went. Women first. But you can filter through all that stuff and actually see by gender and all that stuff. Or hey, if you want to sport some leggings, I don't judge. Buy whatever you want to buy. Anywho, the leggings are pretty cool. I wish there was something for the guys other than just the sweatpants. That's what's on there. There is some sweatpants, even though the temperatures are kind of coming up. But hey, if you want something to go to the gym, hang out, build you some of that, go for it. But in any case, today what we're going to look at is the C10 and what I'm working on. I'm going to try and make a little quick short video so I don't do a whole lot of editing and get some more content out there. I know I've been slacking. Cut me some slack. Hey. Alright, so here what we're looking at. I've got the bottom rocker panel. That's the outside rocker panel, of course, and then there's the inner rocker panel, and then there's the floorboard, the sheet metal. If I can dig up some footage, I had some footage when I was cutting this, but I don't know. I'm not sure what where a lot of this footage went. But in any case, I got the new door hinges here. I test fit the door last night, and unfortunately the bottom of the door is roasted. It's roached, it's rusted, whatever you want to call it. So it looks like I'm going to have to order some new doors for this. So there goes a good side shot. Let's see if I can get a little bit better side shot. There we go. So she's pretty straight. I don't see any issues. What I did was hung the door last night, checked out the gap. All the gaps look really good. The only thing was in the middle. It kind of got a little wider here at the bottom, and it started making me think. And then after finding this little gem, can you see that? Yeah, that's all Bondo. I believe there's a hole in there, so I'm gonna either have to cut this out and patch it or pull it out, whatever it is. I haven't gone too far into it. And this other little gem, so the cab corner is rotten. Thought it was good, was not good. I started poking around on the doors, well, at least the door, the passenger side door, and as I was poking around on it, you see all these little dimples. That's all Bondo. So I noticed in here in the middle it was a little high, and of course there is rust in here. So got me to thinking maybe this is Bondo and it's not as straight as you think, and sure enough that's what it was. So depending on how bad that is, I can either just skin the bottom of the door or just order brand new doors from LMC Trucks. So we'll see. I haven't touched the side. I've been slacking pretty bad on this, so I'm trying to get my energy back up, my motivation to get this knocked out and be done with it. No real update right now on the Silverado. The engine block is clean. It's been sitting out there covered up in bubble wrap because, you know, that's what we do around here. We did clean the engine up. We've been messing with this. If you see my last video I posted of how we hooked up the digital gauges in this dude, because this does have some digital gauges. My son's been working on making a floor pan to replace all the huge rust spots that was in there. There's a little bit on that one, not too bad. So, alrighty folks, I don't know how much I'm gonna do on this video, so we'll see. Like I said, I'm trying to make them a little easy, or not easy, trying to, why is this not wanting to? Let me pick this ladder out a little bit. There we go. I'm trying not to make these videos too long, too boring, so just give you a quick update on what I'm doing. Maybe I'll throw some snapshots in here. If I get it done, maybe I'll do a quick walk around. Or even if I don't have it done, maybe if I get everything kind of tacked into place, making it look good, I'll do a quick video on that and show you that, and then throw this up on the tube. Alrighty guys, don't forget, order something. Is it recording? Alright, it's recording. So, part of this clip is going to be me working on the C10. Alright, got that in, got the outer rocker, got the inner rocker kind of started, and then this came in. My son's car, dun dun dun, has returned. Alright, so we've been working on this for probably about 3 or 4 days now. Off and on, only a few hours at a time. You've seen the hood before. It's a mangled mess, but we're gonna make it pretty again. Don't mind all this, it's just the heat from welding distorting the hood. We're gonna fix that. It's gonna take a lot of Bondo. This isn't necessarily where Bondo is supposed to be used or how it's supposed to be used, but we're gonna do it that way because I don't have proper tools to do proper metalworking in here in the shop. So we're gonna do our best, and hopefully we don't use too much Bondo and make this thing 500 pounds. But in any case, I've been TIG welding my ass off. All this crap looks like junk. It looks like junk. Those welds are shit, but the metal is bonded together, which is what I wanted. It's hard to weld on this because I was not able to prep the surface as well as I would have liked. It's not flat. The sheet metal we used was probably a little too thin, so I have a lot of factors playing against me, so don't judge me on this. I'm not claiming that I'm a TIG expert, but I have been TIGging my ass off the last couple days. I've burned through a lot of filler rods trying to make this happen. There's a lot of spots in here like this, if you can see it, where just whatever was underneath there reacted with the heat and just exploded basically. I don't know how many times I've had to grind my tungsten down because it's like it was attracted to my tungsten. As soon as it would pop, I would see the little molten bead of metal jump right on my freaking tip, and I had to stop because, you know, if you've done any TIG welding, you know as soon as you get a big old glob of filler rod or metal, foreign metal on there, you get a crazy ass flame. So had to stop, go over there, grind it, come back, sit down. So it's taking some time. So what I'm working on here is the last little stretch. I've got the rest of this to go, the back side, across the top, and down the middle, and then out comes the magic wheel of perfection. Hey, I just invented that magic wheel of perfection, called a grinding disc, because that's the only thing that's going to help. I mean, unfortunately, when you're doing metal work, you don't get to see the beautiful beads you lay because you got to grind them flat anyways. Just like in here, you know, I had to grind all this stuff flat. So be what it may, I'm gonna throw this little short video out there. I'll probably just do some quick time lapse on this, just showing me some welding, showing me doing some welding, not showing me welding. Well, I guess it would be showing me welding. Anywho, enough of rambling. Go down below, click the link on the merch, go buy something for me. Give me a couple dollars, make me feel good, you know. Don't make me feel too much of a cheap whore, but, you know, hey, whatever. It is what it is. Here we go.